Alright, we're on another Honda Zoomer. The other one we had up, which was at 2250 with the fuel injection 1011, is sold. And we've just got this one in. And we are going to go on a little trip with her. See how she plays off. Checked everything with her indicators, lights, full beam, high beam, low beam, blah blah, electric start, kick start, all working perfect. It has an aftermarket exhaust, as you can hear, which is nice. And we'll see what kind of speeds. I haven't driven her as of yet, so it'll be the first time driving this Zoomer. I've driven nearly hundreds of Zoomers at this stage, individual ones. But I know what they're meant to feel like anyway at this stage. This one feels pretty good to start with, acceleration wise. I'm just going to make a left turn here. Alright. Let's see how she goes up the hill. 30. 40. Just hitting 40 now. And if we can get up to 50, 55 up here, I'll be impressed. Very good. Seems pretty good to me. Speedo might be a bit slow, I think. I feel like I'm going a bit faster than 45, but yeah, 45. Looks like we're going to get up to about 50 here, so that's nice. Keeping up with the car ahead. Very good. That's what you really want on these 49cc little bikes, is to be able to keep up with traffic ahead. I'm going to try skip in front of these two in front of us here, just so I can get the straight here and get up to top speed. Seating height wise, as always on these Zoomers, it's very low seat height, very easy to get on. You have room under the seat if you get the netting, which we have netting or plastic mat to put underneath there, so you can store stuff under the seat here. You can also do a whole load of stuff, different front headlamps. These are the pre-fuel injection ones, so you have the smaller front headlamps, but you have the nicer indicators in my opinion. And then in later models, carburetor is always better than fuel injected in my opinion. You want to get the carb model, I think anyway. The other one was particularly nice, the other carb or fuel injected model, because it had all the stuff on it. So that's, you kind of need to do that on the fuel injected stuff. On the carburetor stuff you can kind of fiddle away and tune it yourself nicely. The exhaust down there is a nice little small, very tidy little thing. Sounds pretty good too. Not too loud, not too aggressive, just right, as I would like to say it. Anything else on her? She's only got 13,427 kilometers on the clock, which is about 8,500 miles, I think. So very low kilometers. We'll see more on the actual appearance of her and in the visual inspection, which I'll do after this little video. But for now, we'll just get past these lights. All right, we're away now. Let's see what she can get up to in this little straight here. We're up to 40 already. Nothing behind us. Hopefully she doesn't come out in front of me. Thank you. We're up to 50. These are usually limited to 55, so if she go, oh come on, a little snap and a crackle from the exhaust there. He's loving it. Ah, that's a pity. I'd say we was looking like we could get on past 55 there. The tires feel nice and grippy. Lights look good, indicators here. Yeah, I mean, there's not much else to say to her. She definitely seems that she do 55, 60 downhill. 60 downhill, I'd say 55 normally on flat, and 50 uphill, which is absolutely perfect for these things, considering probably most of the time you're going to be spent in the bus lane getting into work and back. And with these Zoomers, they are the most desirable scooter in Ireland at the moment. We can't keep holding. The longest we've had one in stock is a 1 week. So if you are interested in these, you kind of want to get in contact pretty quick, because they do go very, very fast. We're going up to 50 kilometers an hour here now. Yeah, look, I think it has the limiter on it. We just hit 50 and we're kind of stopped uphill now. So you can get the de-restriction kit to let you go past the limiter on these, which is on all 49cc bikes if they're to apply for the AM license, which in ways you want, because otherwise it is technically illegal. But if you have more than the AM license, then a lot of people will want to get rid of that restriction at 50 kilometers an hour and put it up onto, you know, getting up to 60, 70. I'll just cut in here. Look how easy it is to cut in front of traffic. Really manoeuvrable, super light. Ticks away at the light, but now we'll just get onto the straight now before Retro Bikes Dublin. Alright, we're away now. Past the lights here and into traffic. Well, this thing will eat up traffic all day long. Sieve past all the traffic, no problems. As I said, you can be in the bus lane on a motorcycle like this, so you can skip past everyone in the morning and at peak hours, and even when they start slowing down like this. But yeah, no, she's really great. As you can see, I have no problems keeping up with the traffic, which is a very big concern on these 49cc people, or on these 49cc that people ask for. We do these drive along videos. I think they're nearly more important on these smaller bikes because it's hard to see. Sometimes they only do 30 kilometers an hour, sometimes they only do 40 on these old 49C things, but this one keeping up with traffic very well. Sounds great, nice snap and a crackle from the exhaust every once in a while, getting looks from everyone around. Real head turner. So we're just going to turn right here and turn in again right and do a visual inspection of the bike so you guys know what marks are on her, and also we'll see you there. Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a Honda Zoomer 50. You've just seen me go around on the ride along, so this is just a visual inspection of it, which will go from front to rear. Tire at the front is okay. Front mudguard is nice, little mark at the front here. Front headlamps are nice and clear, same with the indicators, and the front plastics here are all good. This is just a bit of, you can see the wax that we put over the top of it. And then onto what is the left hand side now. Left hand side casing is in good condition, front forks are nice, front alloy is good, some slight signs of minor corrosion at the front there, nothing major. The footwell area is nice, some little scrapes on the side here, little chip in the paint at the bottom of the seat here. The seat itself is in good condition, no marks or anything like that. Onto the back here again, a little few marks around the seat, just typically from people putting locks around them or something. Airbox area, kickstart, all good. 2005 bike. Rear mudguard, indicators, and then this side you do have your aftermarket, which looks like a kind of a Leo Vinci kind of mock-up, and then the rear tire is good as well, as you can see, and the alloy here is good too. Coolant is all good. Inside here, all very nice. One key only on this. But apart from that, all very good. Mechanically, she's probably one of the better Zoomers I've ridden. She's quite quick. If you wanted to get her up to speed past that 50-60 kilometers an hour, it would be fairly easily done. But if you have liked the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below what you think of these Zoomers in Ireland, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.